Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an extra slow tutorial on how to do a single crochet. So first we need to grab the yarn and place it across your hand like this. This is how I do it. There are many ways of doing it, but this is mine. Make a loop around your finger and grab the yarn from underneath there. Pull it through. And that's your magic circle. Now you just get your hook, place it in, pull it snug like so. Now get your yarn in the correct position. This is how I hold my yarn. People do it their own way. Find whichever way is comfortable for you, because you need to be comfortable when you're doing it. Now we just need to hook the yarn and pull it through that loop, and that's our first chain. We keep doing the same thing. Chain and chain again. And I'm going to be doing 11 chains just as a demonstration to show you guys how we do this chain. When I first started doing it, I kept doing it too tightly, and then I couldn't even get my hook back inside the loops. So try and get the tension just right so you can still get your hook through, but it's not too loose. Now that we have 11 chains, we can start our first crochet, our first single crochet. So you put your hook in the second loop from the hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through again through the 2 loops, and that is your first crochet made. Now go into the next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, and that is your second single crochet made. Now you just follow this pattern down the chain. Very simple. Once you get the hang of this stitch, you can learn other stitches, and you can make many beautiful items. You can make hats, scarves, shoes, jumpers, cardigans, tops, skirts, anything you can really think of. I like to make vintage inspired handbags. You can check out my social media. My IG is at Original Crochet by Q, and you can see all of my bags that I make on there. So yeah, once you get to the last one, we can get that one done. And now, see, you have a row of single crochets. Now you chain one to move up to the next level, next row, and turn your piece. Now that your piece is turned, we can start making the second row of single crochets. So go into the first single crochet there and yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through again. And you just follow this same pattern over and over again until you feel like you're very good at it. And then you can start making things when you're ready. It's a very simple stitch. Took me a while to get to this state where I can make the stitches nice and neat and all pretty much the same size. But once I did get it, it became fun afterwards. This last one is normally a bit tricky, but you need to make sure that you get both loops, get the hook through both loops. So yeah, like that, like so. That's it. And then make your last one. And there you have it. You have created, or you have learned how to do a single crochet. I hope this crochet tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll try and make another one for the double crochet. Thanks for watching.